Hello and good afternoon. One of my pet hates about modern fashion industry today, and what most people may even call fast fashion, is that when you actually buy something that is as detailed as this, and you can see there's a beautiful fabric print on this dress, and it is almost double-sided, the print, because of the type of fabric that is being used and how thin the material is. But what I hate is when patterns don't match. And the reason this happens is because obviously this would have been a mass-produced item for commercial industry, not tailor-made like suits would have been in the olden days, or even some ladies' fashion garments that would have been intricately designs, made and manufactured, and probably even before machinery took over, all of these stitches would have been done by hand. And one of the things that they would have made sure would have been the quality of the finish of the garment. Obviously, yes, fabric would have been expensive. Fabric is still very expensive, even in today's society. Which is why when a product is made for the fashion industry, you will find 9 times out of 10 that the pattern will not match. So unless you are having something handmade or tailor-made for a specific occasion like a wedding, which is usually when people would look at having garments made that might be for a keepsake or for something that they're going to maybe wear it once, but they want that item to be made of a really good quality finish, then unfortunately you will get this where the fabrics do not match. And it is basically because that is where the print would have started and finished on that side. And then when you drag it along, that is where the print probably would have ended on a panel or on a sheet of fabric. And then if we come down here to where it doesn't match anymore, you can see that they have still used the same fabric, they have still used the same print for this garment, but when they've obviously cut out the panel, so this is another side panel for this dress, they have just literally sewed the two panels together, and they've not bothered to obviously match the fabric, so that they have been able to hopefully utilize the amount of fabric that they've had to use per garment. Now, I'm actually upcycling this piece of fabric, so when I do complete the item that I'm aiming to finish, my aim too will be to try and reduce the amount of fabric waste, but at the same time make sure that the pattern matches and that you get a continuation of the same panel for the item that I am going to make with this fabric, and that it's not going to be out of alignment like it currently is now. So thank you for watching.